G'day guys, Chris Hogan coming to you for AutoGuru, and I'm here with Chris from Magic Spanners. How you going, Chris?
Good, Chris. How are you?
Excellent, mate. Excellent. Mate, Magic Spanners, you guys service people on the side of the road, at home, at work, from where to where?
From Brisbane, Gold Coast, Ipswich, anywhere. Wherever they're broken down, wherever they need it done, home or work.
Fantastic. And you've actually been on the AutoGuru platform since 2015, 757 bookings, 250 reviews, and an average rating of 4.6 stars, mate. That's excellent. How do you keep that up?
Is that all? Jeez, I was expecting more. Just doing the right thing. You know, doing the right thing for the customers, and then they're happy. The car's working. Everybody's happy. They leave a good review, and they call us next time.
Excellent, mate. So just to recap, when do I call you?
Whenever you want, between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. Broken down, side of the road, home, work, whatever you need, just give us a call.
If you need a mobile mechanic at home, work, or on the side of the road, you can book
Magic Spanners Mobile Mechanics.
Easy as.
For more information about car servicing and repairs, visit autoguru.com.au.